So if you're looking for a sleeping pad that's good for the lake, the beach, camping, or even sleepovers, that's nice and compact, doesn't take up much room, and doesn't weigh much, this is worth looking at. So it does come in this little bag that's used for storage. It only weighs 2 pounds. What we're going to do in this review, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. We're going to air it up. We're going to look over all the features, and then we're also going to deflate it, just show you how easy that is. So before you air this up, just make note that there are 2 air valves. We've got one on this end. Just make sure it's nice and closed. And then we're going to go to the other end, which is where our foot pump is. You don't need a separate air pump to do this, to air it up, which is fantastic. So this is the end we're going to go ahead and air up. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my foot on here and air it up and just show you how that works. Now with this foot pump, of course you can do it by your feet or your hands. What you're going to do is as you press down, the air is being sucked into there. You can kind of hear it through my microphone. You just keep on doing it, it's going to air up. So I've got it all aired up. It really didn't take that long, really just probably maybe a couple of minutes or so, if that. You'll notice we've got these are actually air chambers through here. Now what I like about it is that as you're laying down on here, sometimes your back can get sweaty, especially sleeping at night, depending on how warm it is. With these air chambers, it allows air to get underneath your back, so to help keep you a little bit cooler. And of course, we've got a nice thick pillow at this end. So it's right around this part here. The body is right around about 3 inches in thickness. And then you'll notice the pillow here up here. It's really nice and thick. It is almost 5 inches. It's actually 4.7 inches. And the material is actually pretty thick and tough. Now it is waterproof. And let me flip it over here so you can see what the backside looks like too. Now you can see this air valve here, and when you do, we do deflate it here in a little bit. We're definitely going to open that up, but you'll see that we got the air valve on this side, and we've got a blue color here, and then on the front side, we have this green color here. So this is 75 inches long and right around 27.5 inches wide. I like the pillow that's nice and thick up here. Now I'm right around 5'9" without my shoes on. You can see I've got several more inches down here at the very bottom. I've got plenty of length up through here. As I'm laying here, my arms are just, they're not hanging off the edges. They're just right here, right by my side, so I'm staying right on the mat itself, inflatable. It actually feels pretty good too. This would be great if you had a sleeping bag on here and then this mat. It just makes it that much more comfortable. Appreciate the brand sending this to me so I can show you all these features. And when you are ready to deflate this, we're just going to open up that valve. You can see it deflates pretty quick. And then what we're going to do now is just go ahead and fold it over and roll it up. So I like that this mattress is super easy to go ahead and inflate with the foot pump. I love that it does have a pillow, and with those air chambers, it just makes it that much cooler. And it's easy to go ahead and deflate and roll up like I have here. Hope you found this review helpful.